Have you ever been surprised by an unexpected whistling noise coming from your air conditioner? It's like an unwanted guest in the quiet of your home. We're about to embark on an expedition together, one where we uncover the mysteries behind these AC symphonies and unearth practical solutions. Do you hear a shrill whistling sound coming from your air conditioner that has left you puzzled? You're not alone. Approximately 75% of homeowners have experienced this at some point, and it can be rather annoying. The reason behind this noise is usually tied to airflow problems in the AC unit. Insufficient airflow can cause various parts of the system to work harder than they should, resulting in unusual noises like a whistling sound. One common culprit is a dirty or clogged air filter. Simply replacing a dirty filter with a clean one can reduce energy consumption by up to 15%. Closed doors might keep out unwanted guests, but they also trap cool air inside rooms, potentially creating that irritating whistle, or that high-pitched whistling noise might be a refrigerant leak. Recognizing signs early is crucial. They could be an unexplained increase in energy bills and frost buildup on the coils. Repairing refrigerant leaks can be as simple as having a professional HVAC technician inspect your unit, find the leak, and fix it. Another culprit might be a malfunctioning blower motor. A properly functioning blower helps your AC work efficiently by pushing cool air through ducts into different rooms in your home. Maintaining regular service schedules with trusted technicians like those at Anthem is crucial for preventing such issues. Regular assessments ensure any likely issues are addressed early on before they become more serious. Membership in Anthem's Comfort Club includes 2 maintenance service visits a year, once in the spring for your air conditioning and once in fall for your furnace. Don't worry about having to remember to schedule these visits or miss this opportunity. One of our team members will reach out when it's time. Ignoring the whistling noise from your AC could lead to severe consequences, such as increased energy bills, deteriorating indoor air quality, and the risk of major breakdowns. Remember, a noisy home is not a happy home. Address the whistling noise from your AC unit today with Anthem, your key to a quiet and comfortable home. Call us now for an appointment.